In the RMG industry, various compliance certificates are crucial to ensuring that factories meet international standards for safety, sustainability, and ethical practices. Here are some certifications. Name that I will explain in detail, one by one.
SEDEX-SMETA. SEDEX means Supplier Ethical Data Exchange, which is dedicated driving improvements in ethical and social responsible. SEDEX audits are usually conducted on the basis of SMETA guidelines. Second, SMETA stands for SEDEX Members Ethical Trade Audit. It is the most widely used ethical audit formats in the world, which work on basis on its 4 pillars, like labor standards, health and safety, business ethics, and the environment. 3. OEKO-TEX, OEKO-TEX standard. 100 is proof to the customers that the products are tested for harmful substances. This certification certified in textiles and fabrics are free of harmful chemicals and are safe for human use. 4. WRAP, Worldwide Responsible Accredited Production. It is a globally recognized program that focuses on social compliance and responsible production practice in the garment manufacturing sector. Certification ensures companies adhere, obey to ethical standards, promote fair labor practice, and maintain safe working conditions for their employees. 5. Accord. It was an agreement on fire and building safety in Bangladesh to make all garment factories safe workplaces. But nowadays Accord is no more, rather it was transitioned or switched to RSC. 6. RSC, RMG Sustainability Council. The RMG Sustainability Council, RSC, is a safety monitoring body in the RMG sector in Bangladesh. 7. RCS, Recycled 100 Claim Standard. It is used to track recycled raw materials through the supply chain. GRS, Global Recycled Standard. It is an international voluntary standard that sets requirements for third-party certification of recycled content. 8. OCS, Organic Content Standard. This certification is the standard of containing 5 to 100% organic raw materials in the final product. This certification is required for those orders which contains organic yarn. 9. GOTS, Global Organic Textile Standard. It has defined the requirements to ensure organic status of textiles. If for any order use organic yarn, this certification is must. BSCI, Business Social Compliance Initiative. BSCI audit is the process of assessing an organization's social compliance in the global supply chain. 10. Better Work Bangladesh. It is launched in 2014 with a clear focus to build a competitive garment industry that provides decent jobs to the workers. It is a unique partnership between ILO, International Labor Organization, and IFC, International Finance Corporation. It collaborates with the government of Bangladesh to improve labor laws and with brands to ensure the progress is sustained. 11th Higg Index. It is a set of tools for the standardized measurement of value chain of sustainability, which was developed by the Sustainable Apparel Coalition, SAC, in order to help the brands become more sustainable. It is a suite set of tools for the standardized measurement of value chain of sustainability, which was developed by the Sustainable Apparel Coalition, SAC, in order to help the brands become more sustainable. 12th, Disney license. In order to use the Disney characters legally, need to get a license from the Disney Enterprises. 13. FAMA, Facility and Merchandise. Authorization. FAMA is the certification authorized by Disney where branded products can be made or handled at a certified facility. 14. LEED certifications. RE. LEED provides a framework for healthy, efficient, carbon and cost-saving green buildings. LEED certification is a globally recognized symbol of sustainability achievement and leadership. There are 4 types LEED certificate like Platinum, Gold, Silver, and Certified. 15. Fairtrade. This certification is a product certification system where social, economic, and environmental aspects of production are certified. Some key reasons why they are so important. Buyer requirement. Most international buyers, especially from Europe and North America, require factories to have valid compliance certifications. Worker safety and rights, environmental sustainability, market competitiveness, legal and ethical accountability, brand reputation, and trust. To sum it up, compliance certificates are essential for the sustainable growth of the RMG sector. ensuring ethical practices, safety, and environmental responsibility while meeting global market demands.